In this episode, Cora finds a pink ribbon, I kick a ball, and Ahsoka walks up a hill. Well, we found a problem. A hot water heater. Jill took a shower yesterday, and it was fine. Around 3 o'clock, she took a shower. I went to take a shower last night before bed. Nothing. Neither the propane or the electric hot water heater would work. And I don't know why. We didn't change anything, didn't do anything different. So, I don't know. I'm hoping, because it's both the electric and the propane, that it's just a power issue, like a fuse, maybe. So I'm getting into the back to check and see if there's a fuse or something that I can see, because usually they have a switch that might trip or just a fuse that might burn out. So let's see what I find. So I had to re-maintenancify my brain from when I was a maintenance guy. I couldn't figure out why the hot water heater wasn't kicking on, but there was power over there when I had the generator going to the hot water heater. And so I had to stop being angry and sit down for a minute and drink some coffee. And I thought, oh wait, it's not calling. So I located where the thermostat is on the hot water heater, pulled the wires off. This was connected to one of the wires, and took this off and jumped the wires together, and click, it started calling right away. So I took this off and put the wires back on the thermostat, and it's running just fine. It says it's a micro temp thingamabob. I don't know if you can. But I don't know what this is. So we're gonna run the hot water heater for 20-30 minutes, see if it kicks off when it gets up to temperature. And if it does, great, we'll throw this thing away. If it doesn't, then we'll figure it out. Cora's sweeping dirt onto the rug. So anyways, we're making hot water. Good enough. Me and Cora and Ahsoka are on our morning walk. We all slept good. Run out of propane at 4:30 in the morning. So fridge started beeping and everything. Had to switch tanks. Cora's just talking up a storm. Huh, Cora? We're gonna move camp today. Go meet friends, fill up tanks, resupply. I look horrible. Yeah. We're just having coffee and going for a walk. Jill's got a meeting right now. Should we go up this hill? Should we go up the hill? Should we go up the hill?
No.
Where's Ahsoka?
No.
I don't know either.
See you, Soko.
Ahsoka, where'd you go? Where is she? Where is she? Can you see Ahsoka? I don't know.
Yeah.
There you are.
It's there.
All right, we're gonna enjoy our walk and then see what the day brings. Hopefully we can, I start cleaning up already, so hopefully moving is easy. Jill has her last meeting at 2:30, I think. 1:30? 1:30. And then leave around 2:30. Oh, Soka has a sticker in her foot. I gotta go help. I had to carry her up that. Huh. Well, we're up here. We're up here. Huh. Yeah. We're up here. This is beautiful. Need a hand? All right. There you go. There you go. Yep. I love you. Where'd she go? Soka. Come on, Soka. Dog poop. Come on. Yeah, the dog pooped. What'd you find, Cora? A ribbon? Cool. Careful. Don't fall. Where's the Soka?
No.
Soko. Okay, come on, baby. Come on, girls. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Where'd what go?
Yeah.
You got your ribbon. We ran out of steam. So, all aboard the dad train.
Here.
Should we go find Mom? I think she's done with her meeting now. But we got a ways to go. Can you see the trailer? Way over there. Way over there. There it was. You have to switch arms soon. Oh, but how couldn't you? Huh?
Go. Go. Let's take away. Away.
Well, we made it back to the other side of Warner Valley, to the Hurricane St. George side. And we have a nice little spot here. We're saving for some, like 4 other trailers, I think. One of my friends is coming tomorrow, and then maybe a few more, or probably a few more, 2-3 more trailers on Friday. So in 2 days. But yeah, we made the long drive back around Warner Valley to Hurricane, loaded up on groceries and emptied the tanks on the trailer. And now we're here. It's not as kid-friendly. I mean, Cora loves the sand, but it's not as kid-friendly as where we were before. Because there's people cruising around on motorcycles and stuff everywhere. But we'll keep an eye on her and keep an eye on the dog, and we'll be good. Got Starlink set up so we can watch a movie tonight.